So guys, let's take a look at our odd to our New Zealand dollar. So we would actually want to analyze this price and try to see where this movement will be made for this week. So in order to be able to make such movements, we want to go to this our monthly time frame. The reason why we would be using this monthly time frame is to better understand this movement on this odd New Zealand dollar. Now let's take a look at it. We would zoom it out. There's only one movement we all can see on our New Zealand dollar. It's kind of a ranging market move. Now let's analyze some key levels. So for better understanding, let's see it this way. Basically we can see that price is actually coming down to this level. We see that anytime price drops to this low, we tend to see it rise up, right? Once you saw it react to this level, we tend to see it react here again, react. So it has been reacting multiple times, so we can take it as our support level on this odd New Zealand dollar, right? We will take it as the support level. And now let's take a look at this highs here. What we all can see here is our resistance level. So basically, once this price comes to this level, we see it drop. Come to this level, we see it drop. It will come to this level, we see it drop. It will close to this level, we had this huge week. So basically, this price has been dropping. Now there's a movement that has been made. You can see it here, right? So once the price came to this level, right, this is our support level. As usual, we all expected it to rise up, and guess what? It is exactly what we had on this odd New Zealand. We actually had that bullish move. So basically our odd to our New Zealand dollar has actually been giving us that bullish move. So higher highs, we saw the correction, another higher highs, a correction was made, then this huge amount of highs. Now let's see it this way. Let's take a look at this for better understanding. We saw this higher highs, right? Correction, we add another higher highs here, then a correction was made, and guess what? We had this huge highs, right? So basically after this huge highs, there's only one thing we should be expecting, right? A correction. Right now, before we actually get into that part, now we can see the second price. We are actually on an uptrend move, right? So basically price has come to the support level. We all expected it to go to the resistance level, which it actually did. It went up. That is one. We can see that the price is above the 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of 10 period moving average. Once the price is above it, we are to go long, but if it is below it, we are to short it. But as this case, the price has actually been above 10 period moving average for some months. I think it was late 2021. We started having this bullish move on odd New Zealand dollar. So basically this price has been moving. That if you are not to watch this New Zealand dollar pairs, we see that we've actually been dropping massively. One of the reasons why our odd to New Zealand can we call it QE or on odd to our QE, it has actually been going bullish, which means the QE itself has actually been dropping massively, which means any other pairs to this New Zealand dollar is actually on a bullish run. So now we've seen this bullish move, right? If this will continue to go uptrend, if this will continue to be an uptrend move, there's one movement we all would be expecting is actually a bearish move that has to possibly serve as a pullback level. So one, we will be expecting kind of like a pullback level on this monthly time frame that should actually serve as a pullback level if this will be an uptrend move. Like I said, if this will be an uptrend move, we should kind of have like a pullback level which will serve like as a pullback level which is on the bullish move upward. That is one. Secondly is again, reason why we'll be having another bearish move down is again, the price has now hit a key level which is our support level. See it anytime price comes to the support level, we tend to have a drop, and right now price is at that support resistance level, right? It is at the resistance level, and we would also be expecting a drop. So on this monthly time frame, we've gone bullish a lot, so I want you guys to expect a bearish move on the monthly time frame. So the bears is coming sooner or later, so guys, watch out for it. If you want to go long on the monthly time frame, I'll say hold on a bit, because the bears is about to happen anytime soon. So that is on the monthly time frame. Down to the weekly time frame, you all can see these movements, right? A clear movement is that we are on a bullish run. I mean, this price is bullish one. The price is above the 10-period moving average. I mean, once we add that bullish move, then a pullback will occur, which will come to our 10-period moving average, tap it, then push up. Another pullback, come to our 10-period moving average, tap it, then we would have another push up, right? So now let's take a look at it from here. So I mean, we can see this impulse move here. We can take here as a correction. Correction came to our 10-period moving average. So I mean, impulse move was made again. Another correction. Then we see this impulse move, right? Then we had a correction, right? Now see this impulse move again. So this week, the week that just passed, we had a bullish move. So basically, once we've had this bullish move, what are we expecting again? A correction again. So that correction should also serve as a bear move again. On this weekly time frame, we are now expecting a bear. Are we going to get it this week? But if we don't get the bear this week, I can assure you by next week we would be having the bears. So this week you're analyzing for, we should be expecting the bears to come. But if it does not come this week, then definitely by next week we would have the bears. So all to New Zealand dollar, we are expecting the bears. Now let's zoom it out. As at usual, it is still at a certain key level area, which is we are expecting a drop. I mean, it is at a resistance level, so we are expecting a drop, and an indication again that we are expecting a bear to happen on this AUD to New Zealand dollar. Now let's roll down to the daily time frame. I mean, we can all see the movements, right? Let's see this level here. So price came to this level, come down, came to this level, come down. So basically, once price broke above it on this New Zealand, price came to test it. We saw another movement here, then a little bit of pullback occurred. So now this is a bullish move that has been made, which is gone up. So again, on our daily time frame, we should be expecting a pullback, which will give us the bear move. So daily time frame also, we are expecting a bear. So monthly time frame, we've gone bullish massively and we should be expecting a bear. Weekly time frame too, we've gone bullish and we should be expecting a drop because it has hit the resistance level. Same thing with this daily time frame. In case if this will be an uptrend move or a bullish move, then we should be expecting a bear as a pullback. So now to enter this trade, guys, we would actually roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is the time frame to actually take this trade. So if you want to enter the bear, if you want to take the bear, then I'll say wait till we start having multiple break of structure downward, probably on this 30 minutes time frame. So basically on the 30 minutes time frame, once you start seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows downward on the 30-minute time frame, then short it till this price actually drop to hit this level, which I'm seeing on this 4-hour time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame. Once the price drop to see this level here, which will test it, then possibly break below, which I believe will actually break below. But if in case it does not break below, then we should actually see a roll up. So guys, on the 4-hour time frame, watch out for a bearish move this week.